Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to show you how to use these butterfly wall decoration stickers. You know, you can use them for so much more than just on the wall. We used it on a parasol, you can use it in a little girl's room, and just get really creative even for events. So they come with 12 pieces per pack, and we do have a couple of variations of colors here. This is more kind of like a purple color, and we're showing you here that each one comes with a magnet on the back, and then also these sticky double-sided adhesive stickers, so it covers all of the butterflies that come in a pack with a couple of extra, and they are 3D, so as you can see we just kind of folded it and they pop right up. This is basically just a wall here. We're using those adhesive stickers to kind of place them in whatever design that you want. Obviously it's up to you, and we're showing you there is the magnet and the other one is the adhesive sticker that we put on the back. So on a fridge there is a magnet, and it obviously works really well. I love how each of the packs come with different kinds of designs with that color scheme. So here is kind of a 9x9 IKEA frame, and we're going to be putting some stickers of these butterflies in the inside. This is a really fun DIY just because it's very simplistic, but it's great on the wall because of that 3D factor. So we did use that pack of double-sided adhesive sticker sheet that comes with it, and we're using kind of like the smaller medium butterflies. Do want to show you that they do come in different sizes. There's about 2 pieces of the 5-inch, 2 pieces of the 4-inch, and about 4 pieces of the 3-inch, and there's about 4 of the 2.5-inch, just so you have an idea. This is so cute. Love this. I love it. See, it has some glass in the front, and it's a great way to decorate a room that has a little bit more of an outside whimsical look, and you don't have to break a budget basically to do that. So here is a kissing ball that we're putting some butterflies on. Obviously the magnets aren't going to work on this, but we also use the double stick adhesive stickers for these. This would be really cute for an event, you know, whether it's an outside wedding, or you can use these for baby showers, bridal showers, whatever you might want to use it for. So here's a paper umbrella parasol that we also sell. We're just showing you that this would be a really cute decoration for like a bridal shower or a baby shower. We're using kind of our larger butterflies here. We're also going to put in the description below how we really just cutified some parasols in another video. So here is an example of how it looks as far as decorating things other than a wall. You know, obviously with some creativity, you can go so many different directions. Here are all of our kind of color schemes on the left here. That way you can pick which one will fall into your event really nicely. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. If you did, make sure that you like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.